Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to find recently added contacts on iPhone. Let's get started. First, open the phone app on your iPhone. At the bottom, tap the Contacts tab. Now, swipe down to reveal the search bar at the top. In the search bar, type a single letter like A. This will bring up all your contacts. By default, contacts are sorted alphabetically, but to see your recently added ones, tap the Recents tab in the phone app. This will show you the calls and the contacts you recently interacted with. For more details, you can also download the Contacts app from the App Store. It has better filtering and sometimes make it easier to spot newly added contacts. And that's it for today's video. If you found this helpful, please like and subscribe for more videos. See you in the next one.